how to add videos page on your website on Wix. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just go to Wix. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now go to the top, click on add, click page right here. Now click on the videos option down here, it's the second one, and choose a template. You have many templates, as you can see. For example, I'm gonna choose, let's say this one, or let's just choose this one and wait a few seconds. And after you wait a few seconds, it will directly take you here. Now as you can see, you have a video player. Now you can add your video. Click manage right here to add your videos as you want. As you can see, it's so easy, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.